Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And I've got something really interesting today from a fellow named Daniel. Let's check it out. This is from the United States, and it's something new. It's something I had heard of it, but I'd never seen it before, and I have a feeling you might not have seen it either. Let's crack it open and look inside. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I've got a couple things in here that are a little different. Here's a Vietnamese variety, and the packaging is made out of paper. It's really weird. This is Milliket shrimp flavor? Yeah, shrimp flavor. I think I've had this one, I'm not sure. Now the remaining stuff in this box is a real score, and I want to thank you very much for shooting this over. I believe he said he was in Montana, and the Walmart where he's at doesn't have any Maruchan stuff anymore, which to me is like crazy. That place usually has all the flavors. They even have the creamy chicken. It's great if you want to get some Maruchan stuff. But now they have this stuff. Panda Signature. I've never seen this before. Somebody asked about the company that makes this. Albany Farms. They're in LA. I'm guessing these are made in China. I can't read stuff that small. They're halal. But you'll notice kind of a theme. So there's chicken flavor. Then you got your beef flavor, creamy chicken flavor, which is interesting because for pillow packs, I believe there's only one company that makes creamy chicken, and that's Maruchan, at least domestic. Spicy shrimp, which also sounds very much like a Maruchan flavor. Soy sauce flavor, also ditching the Oriental reference, and pork flavor. And now for the cups. Hot and spicy beef, good old regular beef, chili lime, which is definitely one of those Maruchan-y kind of flavors, and now the spicy shrimp in a cup format, and last but not least, chicken flavor. Wow, this is quite a haul, all of the same brand and all from a company I've never seen before. I'm almost thinking there's a possibility this is Maruchan, but they're just doing a different branding, and this is all just the stuff they're going to have for Walmart. I don't know, though. That seems a little far-fetched. This is interesting, so I'm going to give them all a try, obviously. Thanks to Daniel for shooting these over. That was way cool of you, dude. Let me know if there are more varieties. I wouldn't mind trying all of them. It seems like they'll probably have a few more pack versions coming if they're doing everything in the same way as the Maruchan set that they usually have at Walmart. Who knows though? That's really weird. I haven't seen these at Walmarts around me, so your Walmart might be a test market to see how well it sells. So that's a possibility. And yeah, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.